keep it going the whole time.
Just keep it going the whole time. All right, we're live again, guys. As Joshua's about with Dave to dig the last 2 hugel beds of all 7 hugel beds, he has done the fire pit almond or peanut shaped, we don't know what to call it, hugel bed right there. It's all dug out. It's an interesting hugel bed. That way. Now he's going to dig 2 more hugel beds here. So we're finishing filling hugel beds 3 and 4. Jennifer's putting on she wants them. Then we'll do cover crops and some berry bushes and some plants that we brought over to support. All the boys are adding more layers of manure over the last layer of the hugel beds 3 and 4 here. So, hello Lauren. I'd love to do I'm trying to keep my phone charged because it's dying on me. I might not have. Here comes Joshua. He's digging the last one. There we go. That one's charging. While we're filming everybody. Good job, Josh. So now Junior's back to driving that. It's gonna run over me. Hey Joanna, let me know when it's gonna be about half an hour or to an hour before you go, because I want to finish that. All right? We're doing good. We're filling in all the crevices here of hugel bed 4. And we finished covering hugel bed 3. Our hugel beds 1 and 2 are finished there. We'll be doing our workshop on cover cropping and planting into your hugel bed and mulching and inoculating. We've had the cover crops soaking in the EM1 inoculant with molasses. So they're propagating. Yep. See these beautiful cover crops? They're growing all sorts of great bacteria in there of the EM1. So we got one hole in here. Beautiful. We're going to film when we do all these, okay? But you did a good job, Dave. Thank you. We're just having a great time out here building hugel beds. We've got our pond up above up there. It's a nice wide pond up there. Grandpa's having fun driving around the farm. Your grandpa's having a good time with Becca over there. He's like, I brought you some logs. So cute.
So, like I said, so Sharon can be
I know he's got Sharon too in there. So much fun. And you've got Lauren Lucy or Lacey is watching right now as we are live.
Yep.
Want to say anything else about your beautiful hugel beds, Jennifer?
They are beautiful. I'm very excited.
You're excited. That's
This is
wonderful.
interesting. Really fun to watch.
The machines. I call it Battle of the Machines.
Did Nathan or Austin said something about something's happening in an hour?
So what I want is before the families that are here to learn, an hour before they leave, let me know so we can leave everybody working on there. But we're going to plant.
come over and plant.
We want to teach everybody how to do that part. And
Or do we
no,
wanna
I want
put
everything that you've
anything
designed
got?
in that you have.
Okay.
So make sure you bring everything out you
I'll
want
bring
here.
a couple of little things.
So if I understand, and I've got some plants that are on the chair in the bucket if they didn't get moved. Will you go find them before somebody just lost those two? They were literally in a bucket. I've got a lot of valuable plants in there. So make sure you go grab those, okay? Okay, so make sure I got the this one right now, if you find them, okay, Jennifer? I worked so hard to dig those out.
So this here, this hugel bed,
Yes.
if I understand right, we're ready for dirt and then manure and then pile.
So this is ready for dirt, manure, and then big old
Okay. So I'm
soil
clear
on
on
top.
that.
Yep. You're good. That's right.
Manure here.
You got it. That's right. You know what they're doing. And we've got Matthew over here is directing this. So I'm going to go over and check on the plants. Make sure we got the plants we brought over from the Utah Valley Permaculture Classroom Gardens and Greenhouse Food Forest. We dug out a golden raspberry. We dug out a white willow that's been rooting in our willow water. We've got a little Bing cherry tree also that was a seedling out of our forest. We got 2 comfreys, a whole bunch of sunchokes. They're in a bucket. I put them on that chair on the right in a bucket. Where did it go? Oh, it's on the table. Yep, I'll show you what I brought. You've got it over there. And we're bringing out all the trees to where they want them. We're going to teach them exactly what to do.
Little energy boost for a few minutes.
Absolutely, Clark. Help yourself. That's why it's there. You've been working hard. So I've got your white willow. That was the longest rooted one. Hi, Speckles. This is my rooster, Speckles, in there. He's very sweet. He likes to be hugged.
Not a little boost.
Oh, he is miniature. He was the
Oh,
runt.
ho, ho.
If you saw the size of my other, they're 3 times as tall. They are huge, the other ones. He is tiny compared to my other 2. And they came from the same group. But of course, they were different kinds of roosters. So this is rooted willow, okay? He's got some nice roots on him. He's ready to be put in the ground.
Did you see that that's going right by the pond?
Yes.
Yay.
So we'll put that in. This is your golden raspberry here.
Okay.
Now I brought a little, there was this, and somehow we lost one. It was your second set of sea berries.
Oh my gosh.
I know. I'll go look in the car, but I think we lost it.
I cannot imagine.
I know.
I remember.
And these are all your sunchokes over here that you want to use on your south-facing side of your hugel beds to grow up. So we're going to spread them out really far, and they'll shade, okay, outside your hugel bed. These are your 2 large comfrey here. Nice big roots there. There's your comfrey.
Yay.
This is
Bing cherry.
the Bing cherry that doesn't like being uprooted. And these are all daikon radish you can spread out. There's lots of baby daikon radish seedlings there.
Okay.
So these are all the little plants that we brought over. You just decide where you would like them, okay? All right. You'll have a white willow by the pond.
Do you think we can put this willow in a bucket, in a pot? Because we're going to be working on that.
Yes.
And I don't want to plant it and get it.
Then let's do it now before it gets killed too, because we've lost too many plants over here.
I know.
Nobody's taking care of them. You got to sign somebody, okay? Because they're not getting watered. They're not getting attention, and they're all dying. So we got to take care of our plants.
How big a pot do you think we'll need?
For a willow, if you want its roots to grow, I would do a 5-gallon pot like that. You got one?
Yep.
Okay.
I do.
That's what I would do. I'm gonna need, there. Now you keep charging. Yeah. I know, Speckles, I love you too. He wants his Percy. He's wondering, he's gonna need water
This
again?
bowl again, yep.
Yeah, he's gonna need water all the time till we get a bottle.
I just am going to need to run to PetSmart tonight. And
Yeah, and just get a nice little bottle with the wire that goes on the end. Get the hamster one. They're the
Yeah.
cheapest. The best, cheapest place is Walmart. Get a hamster one at Walmart and you'll be able to use that. That'll be good. So now we've got Scott Campbell is watching. So I'm going to